We had this customer that called in with this Gladiator, which is a badass freaking unit. It's got the 1-ton conversions, 42-inch tires. He's obviously invested in this a lot of money, so he's concerned that he's going to keep, he wants to keep up on the emission side. He heard that the 3.0s, they do have their issues. So what we have is a chemical that we can send through the intake, and we do it at different RPMs. That way, at different vane positions, valve positions, and it actually attacks the soot and breaks it loose. And I know this stuff works because we had one come into the shop. It was so plugged up that it wouldn't even hardly run. So we drilled holes pre and post on the system, and we were watching with mechanical gauges the pressure, the back pressure. As we were shooting the chemical through it, we were watching this pressure drop. I mean, that sold me. So we've been using it since. It's been years. Stuff works. We'll just kind of do a run through and show you how the system works. Okay, so we got the tablet set up. We've got the injector nozzle. We're going to pull the intake cap off. We're going to go past the sensor, and we're going to put that nozzle in there so that it atomizes the chemical into the intake. We're going to go in. I'm going to go start the vehicle. We're going to set it at 1900 RPM, and then we're going to start the first step, and it will start to spray the chemical through the intake. And at 1900 RPM, the vanes will be in a certain position where it'll clean it out. And then we'll change the RPM, and we'll just kind of walk you through it and show you step by step. Okay, so we're going to start this up. Let's get it started. I got the tablet here, so I'm going to come into the tablet, and we're going to set this. So I'm going to go to 1900 RPM, and we're going to hold it at 1900 RPM, and that's going to start injecting that chemical, and it will tell us when to move to step 2. So what this is doing is it's cleaning all that soot out of the EGR valve, the EGR cooler. I mean, everything's going to the DPF, and then there's another chemical to clean the DPF, but this stuff works. This stuff is awesome. All right, now we're going to go to the next, and it's preparing for a throttle. Second treatment. We'll start the second treatment, and this one's at 1500 RPM. We'll go through this step. So now everything's in a different position. So now we're cleaning it at a different position. Vanes, EGR valve, and it's just showing me a timer, walks me through it. Once in a while, it'll give you a check engine light after we're done, but we'll clear it. It's just because it shows a little bit of moisture in the system. So now we'll go to next. Treatment 2 complete. All right, so now we've ran step 3. Everything's cleaned out. The soot load is, EGR's clean, EGR cooler's clean, the pipes are clean. It even gets the valves, the ports. Like, this stuff works really good. So if you guys need any help with your emission compliant vehicles, and you're wondering what you can do to service it, keep it up to par, give us a call at Utah Diesel Center, 801-796-9353.